Communicable diseases, chicken pox, causative organisms, varicella zoster virus, typhoid, salmonella typhi, rabies, rhabdoviruses, tetanus, Clostridium tetani, it is a gram-positive bacteria, trachoma, Chlamydium trachomatis, syphilis, Treponema palladium, test వచ్చేసి వాసర్మన్ టెస్ట్, డిప్తేరియా, Corynebacterium diphtheria, whooping cough, Bordetella pertussis, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, measles, RNA paramyxovirus, rubella virus, polio virus, smallpox virus, varicella viruses, smallpox viruses, hookworm, Nycteria americans. This you can give some glance so that you can remember easily. We can expect one question from here. Thank you.